today is Saturday, April 10th, as you guys can see, or maybe not, but yeah, so today I'm going to be prepping for Ramadan and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean the whole house. I think having a clean, fresh house is gonna be a really great way to start Ramadan. And then I'm gonna go decorate the house with Ramadan decorations. This is something I've been always wanting to do. But first I have to buy some of the decorations because I'm gonna DIY a few things, which I'll also show you. But I did also buy a few decorations from like Party City and this website called Modern Eid, which I'll also be showing you. I also wanna take some time to share some of my Ramadan goals with you guys. So I'll be doing that towards the end of the video. But okay, let's get started with the day. I'm gonna go eat breakfast now and then hopefully get everything started. So let's go. Oh wait, what's your name again? Wayne? So we took a little break from cleaning. I had to do some calls and stuff, and now we're gonna take a break. And what are we gonna do?
Badminton.
Woohoo. And I realized in my house tour I never showed our backyard, which is so dumb, so I'm gonna like just show it off real quick. We updated a lot, but we have our swing sets, we have some, we've had these before, but we had an umbrella. We're just playing some badminton right now, so that's what is there. But what is really exciting, we got a trampoline. So this was really something I've always wanted, and I figured Aaliyah would like it too. And my dad actually made this little station deck kind of thing, so when we get off we can like wear our shoes and whatnot here really conveniently. So right now we're going to be heading to Dollar Tree to get some flowers that I can put up on my decoration that I'm DIYing. So I hope we find some really nice flowers there. Okay guys, so this is the first DIY I'm going to be showing. It is this really beautiful crescent flower display that I found on Pinterest. Here's a picture of it on top. But basically what I did is I took a styrofoam or presentation board that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut out the shape of a crescent moon. And then I took all the flowers that I got from the store and I took them out of their stems. I then tried to place the green leaves in the outer corner of the crescent moon so it can add some depth when I add the flowers in the middle. And I started placing them around to see where I want to hot glue them eventually. And this is a really crucial step so you know how it's going to look before just going straight in with the hot glue gun. Next up, I took this moss looking thing that I also got from the Dollar Tree and cut out this star shape, which resembled the Pinterest picture that I'm going to put right next to the moon. And here's the final product, guys. I seriously love how it turned out, and shout out to my dad for helping me put it up. The first thing I ordered when I wanted to decorate this house was these fairy lights, and I was so excited to decorate our staircase because I love how in Christmas there's all these lights and it just gives a really good vibe. But here is how the lights in our staircase ended up turning out. And now I'm going to be putting up a banner and some decorations that I got from moderneat.com. I'll make sure to link it below. But I really love this piece specifically because you can change it when it is Eid, and when it's not, you can change it to another design in the back. And we can't go wrong with more lights, can we? Aaliyah and I also ended up painting on Saturday, so we made some positive sayings, some signs and reminders, and some mason jars, which I'll be showing in the next clip. So I wanted to create this little learning jar, which is full of surahs that I want to learn, some names of Allah out of the 99 names, and also some dhikr statements. So I basically printed out enough information for 30 days and I started cutting them out and eventually folding them and putting them into the jar. This is going to be a very fun and easy way to stay accountable for my goals that I'm going to be discussing later on. So my plan is to use this jar in tandem with this countdown to Eve calendar that I'm going to do with Aaliyah. So every day we'll take a thing from the learning jar and learn along the 30 days. I also wanted to add this clip in. Aaliyah did this really cute dinner with our Eid decorations. We had a table runner and some placemats, which we got from Party City. We also included our paintings and whatnot, and this other cute banner that we got also from Party City that says Ramadan Kareem. So today is Sunday, April 11th, and it's officially 2 days before Ramadan now. And I just wanted to end this video with talking about some of the goals that I want to be accomplishing within Ramadan. So my first two goals are very basic. My first one is to make sure I fast 30 days and make up any of the prayers that I missed. And the second is to pray 5 times a day without fail. I do try my best to pray 5 times a day every day, so this should not be as hard. But what I really wanted to improve on within praying is maintaining my focus. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I pray, there are times when my mind just goes somewhere else and I'm thinking about like random stuff while I'm praying. We should really be focusing solely on what we're saying, what we're praying, and really feeling that connection with God. So I really want to make sure to improve my focus, be in the moment, and be mindful while praying. So my third goal is something that I'm really excited about. It is to pray Tahajjud prayer. So the 5 prayers that we do on a daily basis is something that is required by Allah, but Tahajjud namaz is not actually required for Muslims to pray, but rather if we do pray it, it shows our sincere love and appreciation for God. Tahajjud prayer is also done in the last third of the night. The reason I'm really pushing to make this a goal this Ramadan is because I've read a lot about Tahajjud prayer and just heard about it from a lot of people, and my mom including. And I know that when you pray Tahajjud prayer with all your heart, no rush, and pure intention and sincerity, your prayers will be accepted. So my next goal is to donate and increase my awareness of issues and donate accordingly. Donating is very much encouraged throughout Ramadan, and zakat is something that's also obligatory for Muslims. Zakat is basically the obligation of a Muslim to donate a percentage of their wealth every year to charitable causes. And obviously not everyone has to pay zakat, especially if you're a kid or if you're unmarried, but you should be paying zakat when you have assets under your name. But my goal is not just to donate on a weekly basis, but also to really understand these causes and how to help them besides just giving money. So definitely want to go the extra mile and learn more about issues and see how I can help them on a consistent basis outside of just donating and donating within Ramadan. My next goal is to really improve my knowledge of Islam, and I plan on doing this through reading books. Some of the books that I'm reading I mentioned in one of my previous videos in my 2021 random reads, so go check out that video if you want to see a little bit more about those books. But I also plan on watching some videos on Islam on YouTube, because YouTube is such a great place to learn more about Islam, so definitely recommend checking those out if you haven't already. My next goal is to learn and memorize more surahs so I can use them within prayer. My next goal is to practice dhikr, which is basically the remembrance of God, and this can be done in so many ways. It can be done by reciting phrases that praise God, and it can also be done by studying the 99 names of Allah, which is something I also plan to do. I actually downloaded this app, which I'll pop up on the screen here, but it basically goes through the 99 names of Allah and makes it really easy to remember and retain them. So in my free time, I do plan on doing this, because if we do learn the 99 names of Allah, we are going to grow a more appreciation of him, because he definitely has all of these amazing qualities, and learning about these qualities through those 99 names will definitely help us understand his power and love more, and also garner a greater relationship with him. My other goal is definitely to do some daily reflection, journaling, meditation every single day in the morning, probably after Sahari. Self-introspection and connection and love is definitely something I find important when connecting with God and being more spiritual, so that's something I definitely want to practice even further within the month of Ramadan. I also definitely want to be mindful of doing good deeds within Ramadan. So I'm talking about cleaning around the house, helping my mom out, cooking, all those little things that are good deeds, I definitely want to keep in mind within the month and do even more of them. Lastly, I want to limit the time that I'm on my phone, either using social media or watching television. We all know that being on our phone kills a lot of time. So I definitely want to use my time wisely in Ramadan so I can act and deliver upon all the goals that I set for myself this month, and definitely decreasing my use of social media will help me get there. So that was definitely a mouthful, but those are all of my goals that I'm planning to achieve this year in Ramadan. And I hope that you guys can join me on achieving some of these goals. Please let me know your goals in the comments down below, and let me know what you're looking forward to in Ramadan this year. I'm sincerely wishing everyone watching this an amazing Ramadan season for you and your family. I hope you guys all stay safe and healthy, and I hope that this Ramadan is everything that you could possibly wish for. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!